This video will show you how to upload content to the Allure Global CMS and slot the content. Here you're going to go to salient.allureglobal.com and log in with your credentials. If you're a customer, you will only have the availability to work within your specific content and players. If you're a Allure support employee, you will have a select customer list on the left-hand side. Here we have the initial splash screen page, and we're going to upload content by going to Content. Here we have a content list that's going to show you everything that's already in there. Top left hand box, we're going to click Upload Content. There's 3 specific things that must be put in when uploading content. The file name has to be unique, and there must be a description, and there must be a media typeset. So I'm going to upload from my downloads a nice picture of the beach. So I could call this Beach and Chairs. The media type is going to be an image. Ensure that if it's an image or animation that this is set correctly. Down here we have content type, product type, mapping type, and external code. These different things are used in the organization of the content. These are not required when uploading the content, but it is recommended to fill this out as best as you're capable so that when you do look for this information, it is easier to find. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is with no filtering. We're going to submit to upload the actual content. We're back at the content screen, so we're going to search for beach. Here's the image that was uploaded, holiday beach chairs. Description, beach and chairs. And there's a view of that image with no filtering data. Also, when you're on the content screen, you can replace a file, edit the attributes of the file, delete the file, or even download the file if you accidentally remove the content from your local machine. To slot the content, you either want to go to the media boards and or templates to do this. We're going to go to a media boards, and we're going to select a rotator first to do it with. So we're going to select the Edit Assign Slots ability. And this rotator is just going to be a rotation of images. So we're going to go and set the content. Now, as you see, we don't have initial drop down that we can use. So here's where I described about the filtering different things. We're going to change it to any, and then filter. So now we have all these different selections, and if we didn't know the naming convention or the specific naming convention of it, it can be very difficult, especially once there becomes a lot of content. So we're going to look for ours, which is Holiday Beach and Chairs, and then we're going to submit. Once this is submitted, this background or this rotator is now showing the beach and chairs. Now I'm going to show this on a different media board. Once again, go to Assign Slots and the Edit. Here we have all the different places in which you can go and put things. If you look at the sizing, here we have a background and a background. Here's the width. Here's the width. These are the exact same size. So this is actually screen 2's background. This is screen 1's background. And they have the same dimensions. Except this one, the XY starting coordinates, is at the very beginning of the player. And this one starts at 1360, which is past this one. So this needs to be, because we're going to set this as a background instead of a tract, you need to go back over to set. It's going to show all these different things, but these are all backgrounds, not the information content that we set. We go back to any, so filter any. You always click filter to give all options. Select the content and submit. Anytime you make content, pricing, playlist, or any other different types of changes to a system or digital media player, you always need to publish. So then you go to your publish screen and we select the player that's wanting to be changed. For instance, here's Antarctica Exhibit 02. That's the one we made changes to. We select it, even though it's already in a published state, and we're going to publish the content. This has been how to upload content and slot it.